Godzilla. Second of all, woo! Wait, is this? Wait. Even had the old Godzilla. Look at this, the Godzilla old days, the Godzilla now. Scooch those aside. This is a thing. Oh, another one. Okay. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. So, Mechagodzilla, don't you do no. No. Ah. Yeah. So he wanted to say something. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. He already said that, I know that. But make sure to like and subscribe. Share and comment. Not comment. You can't comment! And this is the new saying for Link. Yeah. Godzilla time. What is Shimu doing here? I'm having us all on the floor. Hey, Titanic stuck is flying up. After, we're going to make them fight. Boom! Yes, Sword King. I'm about to get you whipped. Why is Shimu in here again? Oh, little Godzilla. This guy. I don't know what his name is. Wait, I found the atomic breath. This guy. Look at this. Now our secret toy is Big Godzilla. Now let's make it fight for. I guess Godzilla won that round. Now time for the little guy. Yeah, of course. Of course. Okay, now. Okay, this is about to get hot. Wait, this guy's on. He made that noise. So fun. Titanic's done. All working together. like and subscribe.